Hello traders, FS Speculator here. Today is Friday, September 29th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the pound yen monthly, I still think it's very clear we're in a 1, 2, 3, and I still don't even think the wave 3 is over. I still believe it's going to go all the way up to the 100% Fibonacci extension of wave A, projected out the bottom of A, B, C, or B, probably all the way up to about the 203 area. So let's keep that in mind. Let's head down to the weekly. So on the weekly time frame, I keep seeing this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shape right there, and we do have a Fibonacci bounce. I keep going back to this 5 wave shape because if that really is a 5 wave correction, then this would go down and break this low before it actually does go up. But we do have to remember that we probably are in a wave 3, and this very easily, even though we have 5 waves, does not mean that the trend is over. They very easily could make a higher high, and just keep on going up, especially since we are probably in a wave 3 on the monthly time frame. So let's take it down to the daily. So on the daily, it is starting to look more and more convincing. I mean, we do have a little bit of a pattern. It kind of looks more like a trend, like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I mean, it still could be like a wave 1 or possibly a wave A, but it does look like it is trying to turn at the 50%. It is definitely in a positive move up. It does have a little bit of a break of structure. Like I said on the weekly time frame, it very easily could just keep on trending up. The trend is up, and we really need to primarily be looking for longs in an uptrend. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, on the 4 hour, we do have that 3, 4, 5 shape right here that you see at pretty much the end of every trend with a break of structure. So I mean, if you trade on these sort of time frames, I think that looking for longs right now probably is going to be the best bet. And if it does just keep on stretching out into a brand new uptrend, then you should be looking for longs in an uptrend anyway. So it definitely shouldn't phase you any if it just keeps on trending up. But I would definitely keep a close eye because it still very easily could make a correction and then make another push down. And luckily, if we go long at the end of the next correction and we realize it's a wave C, we should see a break of structure to the downside. We should be able to recognize that and go short for the continuation of the downtrend. So, taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, it looks like we are making higher highs, higher lows. I mean, to me, it does look like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Does kind of make you think that it might make a correction soon, which hopefully it does, because if it does make a correction, we can go long, and that means that this would either be a wave A or a wave 1, and this would either be a wave B or a wave 2, and then at the end of the next correction, we would go long, and we would learn whether it's a wave C by seeing like a nice trend with a break of structure proving that it's a wave C, or we would see it continuing to make higher highs, higher lows, proving that it's a wave 3, which I think this whole pattern is probably much better visible on around the 4 hour time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.